Hello, fall YouTubers. Skidoo Land 73 coming back at ya. I had a video up this on this lawnmower last year, the first start of the season, and it did fairly well for views. So, anyways, I'm getting it out again, so I thought I'd take a video and see how many pulls it takes this time. So this is my old Landmark 26-inch deck and 5-horse Briggs. So it's been sitting all winter, winterized last. So I just put some gas, checked the oil, and it was good to go. So got the key on, the choke, everything. So we'll see how many pulls it takes. The governor must have got